Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, we will walk through the steps to fix audio issues on your Windows PC. If you're experiencing problems with your sound, follow these simple troubleshooting methods to get your audio back on track. These easy steps should resolve common audio issues. So let's get started. Start by opening the Start menu and typing Services, then clicking on the Services app. In the list, find Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on each and ensure their status is set to Running. If they're not running, click Start. Next, go to Properties for each service. Set the startup type to Automatic and click Apply. Once done, restart both services and then restart your computer. If the problem persists, open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Alternatively, you can right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click your audio driver and choose Update Drivers. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, then choose. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Click Next and confirm with Yes if prompted. After updating the driver, open the Start menu, type mmsys.cpl, and press Enter to access the sound properties. Double-click your main audio device, go to the Enhancements tab, and select Disable All Enhancements. Then, navigate to the Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, and click Apply and OK. Finally, restart your PC. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.